Hi everyone and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the 5 legit way to earn money. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. 1. Participate in market research. Online surveys won't net you a hefty income, but you can earn a few dollars here and there. Many survey sites pay in gift cards, but some, like branded surveys, allow you to cash out your earnings via PayPal or direct deposit. By consistently taking surveys and earning points, you'll become a branded elite member and qualify for additional bonus points and rewards. We've ranked dozens of paid survey sites, many of which are scams purporting to represent legitimate entities, so be careful when handing out personal information to a brand you haven't. 2. Sell your unused internet connection. It sounds weird, but hear me out. Companies like Honeygain will literally buy your bits of unused data and internet resources so they can power their content delivery services for the partner Fortune 500 companies they work with. Your computer becomes part of a larger hive of computers and internet connections that help power the network. By installing the app on 2 devices and sharing about 5 gigabytes per day, Honeygain estimates the average user will earn $45 per month in passive income. If you have an unlimited data mobile plan, cable, fiber, or DSL, odds are you'll have some extra bandwidth to donate. Better yet, new users also get a free $5 gift when they register online. Check out their website to learn more. 3. Earn cashback and rewards online. Cashback apps and browser extensions help you save money on everything from groceries to books. Again, you won't earn a fortune, but you will save money on things you already buy. My personal favorite is Capital One Shopping because it works with my favorite stores like Overstock, Vitacost, and eBay. If you already use Capital One, you can create a Capital One shopping account using your regular banking login. If you don't use Capital One, signing up is still a quick process. Once you create an account and get the browser extension, Capital One will let you know while you're shopping if there's a deal available for that retailer. You can cash in your rewards for gift cards to Walmart, Redbox, Sephora, and other retailers. 4. Start a blog. Making money by starting a blog is more realistic than you may think. Bloggers make money by advertising for companies they're affiliated with. When users click an affiliate link and make a purchase, the website owner earns a commission. There are other ways to make money blogging, such as by displaying advertising, selling your own products, or writing sponsored content. Blogging platforms such as HostGator provide a simple, affordable way to start your own digital business from home for less than the cost of a cup of coffee each month. The same way we built DollarSprout into a 7-figure brand. Related. How we made $347,675 blogging in 2 months. 5. Monetize your location data. Ever received one of those push notifications from Starbucks asking if you want a drink if you're within a stone's throw of a physical location? Recall apps on your phone asking for permission if they can use your location data? Odds are you have over a dozen apps on your phone currently tracking every step you've ever made. Now it's time to monetize it. With Tapestry, users can earn up to $25 per month simply by turning on their location sharing. Tapestry then partners with massive brands to help them gain insight into consumer behavior and shopping patterns. The location data is completely anonymous, and as we mentioned earlier, you're already sharing it with a number of other apps. At least with Tapestry, you'll get paid for it. Thanks for watching.